Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change text message color on Android using built-in accessibility features. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where you can control how your device looks and behaves. Step 2. Tap on Additional Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. These options are designed to make your phone easier to use. Step 3. Tap on Vision, or on some devices, it may appear as color and motion under the display section. This is where you can adjust visual settings. Step 4. Select Color Correction. This lets you choose how colors appear on your screen, including for text messages. Step 5. Toggle on Use Color Correction. Then tap on one of the color schemes below it to choose your preferred display option. Another way to change how text appears is by using color inversion in the accessibility settings. This is perfect if you need higher contrast for easier reading. Stay in the same accessibility settings and now select color inversion. Then, toggle on Use Color Inversion to instantly flip the colors on your screen. After you've made your changes, open the Messages app and check out your new text display style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more quick and helpful tutorials.